Where's my almond shadow? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean salt stains with only a brush and spray bottle. So this bottle contains a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water. And also this brush is really good for carpet cleaning. This bottle is only 97 cents and this brush was only like $4, so you're saving a lot of money doing this. Alright, so let's get right into it. If you really want to get all the dirt that's inside the carpet, a brush really helps. So now that we got everything clean as best as possible, we have some salt stains right here, here, and mostly over here. So the first step is basically just spray down everything, let it all dissolve. Make sure you spray a good amount so they can get inside the salt and dissolve it. Now you just let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then you take your hard bristle brush and then you just start scrubbing away. Usually the salt stains get a bit stubborn, so you just have to kind of spray down again. Pretty good. Let it sit there for about 30 to 1 minute and do it again. Next step is basically just to vacuum all this excess salt that you just scrubbed off. So we scrubbed that as best we could, and we got most of it out. You know, of course you're not going to get every single one out, but after that you just let it dry, make sure your car doesn't smell like vinegar anymore, and you're all done. Alright everyone, that's basically it. If you want to see me do more of these tutorials, leave a like down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.